How to open an HTX account. Hello everyone. HTX is a popular cryptocurrency exchange offering a wide range of trading features for both beginners and advanced users. In this video, I'll show you how to open an HTX account. First, open a web browser. I'll be using Google. To open an account and get special offers from HTX, visit coinaz.net/HTX. Or click on the link in the description of this video to open an HTX account. Let's get started. First, enter the email address or phone number you want to use. Then click Sign Up. Please select the images in the correct order to complete the captcha. A verification code will be sent to your email. Please check your inbox. This is the email I received from HTX. If you don't see the email in your inbox, click here. Then check your spam folder. Now, I'll open the email. This is your verification code. Enter the code here. Next, create a password for your account. Here are the password requirements. You can refer to the example password shown on the screen. Click Begin your HTX journey. Next, you need to download the HTX app to complete identity verification. First, open the App Store. If you're using an Android phone, open Google Play. Type the name of the app as shown on the screen. Click here to download the app. Click Open. Click Login. Enter the email address or phone number you used to register. Click Next. Please drag the slider to complete the captcha. Enter the password you just created, then click Next. Next, you'll complete the security verification. Click Send. HTX has sent a verification code to your email. Check your inbox and enter the code here. Click Confirm. Next, you should enable security authentication to protect your account. Click Continue. Click Send to receive the code via email. Then check your inbox and enter the code here. Click Confirm. Click Continue. Enter your device passcode here. Next, set up a pattern lock. This helps prevent unauthorized access if your phone is compromised. Draw the pattern again to confirm. You have successfully set up your security code. Next, you can link Google Authenticator to further enhance your account security. Click Link now and follow the instructions provided by HTX. Now, I'll guide you through identity verification. Click here. Then click here. There are 3 verification levels. First, let's complete level 1 verification. Click Verify. Select your nationality, then enter your last name, first name, and date of birth. Check this box. Then click Submit. You have completed level 1 verification. Click Continue with level 2 verification. In this section, select your nationality and document type. For the document type, you can choose ID card, passport, or driver's license. After selecting the document, click Next. Here are the requirements for uploading your document photos. Now, I'll upload the front and back of the ID card. After uploading both sides, click Submit. Once level 2 verification is complete, click here to proceed to level 3 verification. Now, you need to complete facial verification. Click Allow to access the camera, then follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Level 3 verification is now under review. The result will be sent to you via email. I've just shown you how to open an HTX account. Wishing you success.